All right. Good day, everyone. How are you today? Here, I would like to introduce our group, Ms. Ade Asuti Widi Rahayu, Anissa Indah Pratiwi, Sani Swardiman, and Hilda Tri Yulianti. We are going to perform our presentation in the first International Conference on Innovative Science, Engineering, and Technology. We are from University of Buana Perjuangan, Karawang, Indonesia. Our topic and our term of the title is about analysis of the environmental impact of sheet panel products using life cycle assessment and life cycle costs. I'm here, Sani Suhardiman, and our leader is Miss Ade Asuti would like to perform. All right, let's come to introduction. In the last decade, we know about consumer concern for the environment has increased and the issue of green marketing has begun to shift from simply adding value to be demanding. In addition, environmental protection efforts are growing rapidly. The emergence of green customer lately has encouraged the industry to consider the environmental impacts caused by each of its activities. Despite the efforts to reduce environmental impacts caused by industry that have an impact on costs, there are some advantages in terms of optimizing energy and material consumption. Now we come to the theoretical review. The theoretical review, we start from life cycle impact assessment. All right, at this stage, grouping and assessing the effect of the environment are carried out based on the data obtained at the life cycle inventory, we call it LCI stage, and then eco-efficiency, eco-cost, and the last eco-efficiency index, we call it EEI. This calculation serves to determine the value of EEI as affordable and sustainable input in the form of the amount of eco-cost generated and the amount of net value of the product with the input value of the benefit cost ratio. All right, the method will be explained by Ms. Ade Asuti.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sun.
Yes.
The methods are different method into three method. There are life cycle analysis, and then life cycle cost analysis and eco efficiency analysis. Then result and discussion. Result and discussion. Let's talk about first. Talk about single score in the final stage. Sima Pro version 8.5.0 software is used to add up all the way value to provide a single total impact score for each life cycle. Okay, and then uh, life cycle cost. Life cycle cost is a state where data from the production process to disposal is recalculated using the company process costing sheet from with the assumption that uh, 25,000 pieces slot per month. Okay, then calculation of eco costs. The output of SEMAPRO version in table 3 shows the result of the impact of human health damage. Okay, conclusion. We have three conclusions. The first is the life cycle assessment score for sheet panel product produce the largest value in a row, namely the material with a score of 51.793%, the process section with a score of 39%. And then second, from the calculation of life cycle cost, the score for life cycle cost at the material state in 50 $550 $60 for users for disposal, and the total life cycle cost value for seat panels item is 930 uh, $89. Okay, from the calculation, it is obtained that the eco-efficiency index is 2.3245 for seat panels between 0 and 1, so that it can be said that seat panel products are affordable but unsustainable.
Sustainable. All right. So that is the conclusion. We call it the life cycle assessment score. And then from the calculation of the life cycle cost, and from the calculation, it can be assumed that the sheet panel products are affordable but unsustainable. So that's from our group. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next presentation. Thank you. Goodbye.